Here you can see a $200 payment proof. Roope Kiatu, from Finland, he makes $200, and get paid in Coinbase. If you want to make this amount of money, using an app, and only sharing your internet, then you are in the right place. Hey, what's going on? So in this video, I am going to show you how you can earn Bitcoin totally for free, using Honeygain app, that you can use your mobile. Also you can use this app into your computer. What you have to do is, only install the app, and run the application into your mobile, or desktop background, and share the internet with the Honeygain app. It will help you to make money. You can easily make $20 to $50 every single month using this Honeygain app, and if you have more referral, then you can earn $200 or more. And I am going to show you how you can do that. Number 1, create a free account, and earn $5. In my video description, you will find a link. If you join with my link, and create a free account, then you will receive a $5 as a sign-up bonus. Make sure you create only one account, using a valid email address, and do not create multiple accounts, because if you create multiple accounts, they will suspend your account. So create your account fast, and log in into your account right now. Number 2, download and install the app. Now if you log into your account, you will see your dashboard like this. In the dashboard, you will see your current balance, and if you create an account, you will receive a $5 as a sign-up bonus, and here you can see the dashboard look like. As you can see, I already make $17 using this app, which is really awesome. However, in the dashboard, you will see they have 3 applications available. The good part is you can download this application for your mobile. Also you can install this application into your desktop. They have both devices available. So if you are using Android, you can click on this option to download the Android application, and if you're using Windows, click on this option so that you can install this app into your computer, and if you are using Mac OS, then click here to download. After download this application, you have to install it. Then what you have to do is nothing, only run this application into your desktop or mobile background. It will help you to make money every day. You will earn lots of points only by sharing your internet with this application. You don't have to do any work. The good part is, when you will make $20, you can withdraw your money using PayPal. Also they are providing you to get paid by Bitcoin, which is really great. Number 3, you can use the same account on multiple devices to make more money fast. Now if you want to make a good amount of money, and if you want to earn a good amount of points fast, then you can use this one account and log into multiple devices. This means if you have 4 smartphones in your family, then just install the app, and logging into the account, and run this application into the mobile background. If you have 2 computers and laptop, you can install the app and run this application into the background. You should remember, you don't have to create multiple accounts. Only using one account, you can log in from multiple devices, using the same username and password, and using one account you can earn a good amount of money. Number 4, share your referral link to earn 10% referral commission. If you want to earn more money fast, and get paid Bitcoin totally for free, then you can share their referral link. What you have to do is from the dashboard, click on the invite friend, and copy your referral link. Also you can share your referral link directly to your Facebook, Twitter, or by email. Now to make more referral income, you can share your referral link in a different WhatsApp group, Telegram group. If you have a Facebook group, where many people communicate with each other, you can share your referral link, and help them to make money, and you will also make money from your referral income. Also you can make a YouTube video, and share your referral link, as, like me, I am sharing video with you. Also you can share your referral link in a different forum, Reddit, Pinterest, and many more social media available, to share your referral link, and earn more referral commission. Here you can see, I already almost make $17, and I will get paid when I have $20 in my account. Now let me show you proof that this YouTuber already get paid $200 into your Bitcoin wallet Coinbase account, and this app is paying with confident. This Honeygain app is legal, and they are paying for many years. So if you have the interest to make free Bitcoin only running this application into your mobile and PC, then you can download and install this Honeygain application and try